Hello and welcome everyone. This video is going to show here about to help you actually how to start to go to use companion on Grok. And this would about start to go to have a situation where it should be actually about start to be going on here on this يخرب. So this is about start to go for progress guys. Okay, now I'm gonna start to return the back, give a side back of my scarce CPU on this GitHub. So is that because I already had. Okay, so let me go again. As you can see guys, for what is going on about how, so what is still about it over the place where you're gonna see here guys on the progress on the video. And this was right here through the progress where we was talking about the companion. In the final decision, you're gonna start to use Grok, Grok things or Grok ways. So that's all about to help you guys in this video.